Read worksheet lesson 10. Find each missing factor. Some number times 4 equals 20. So the way we can do this is by adding 4 by itself until we get 20. So we start off with 1, 4, then we add 4, so that's 8. Our next number is 8 plus 4, or 12. And add 4 to that, we get 16. And if you add 4 again, we get 20. So we added 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So our answer is 5. Number 2, 8 times some number equals 24. We're going to use the same strategy as before. Start off with 1, 8, then add 8 by itself, 16. And 16 plus 8 is 24. And we added 8 3 times, so the answer is 3. Number 3, 8 times something equals 56. So we use the same strategy again. We know that 24 plus 8 is 32. 32 plus 8 is 40. 40 plus 8 is 48. And finally, 48 plus 8 is 56. And we added 8 by itself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So our answer is 7. Find each product. 6 times 3 equals blank. So what we're going to do is we're going to add 6 by itself 3 times. So 6 plus 6 is 12. This is equal to 12 plus 6. And 12 plus 6 is 18. So our answer is 18. Number 2, 8 times 8. So we have to add 8 by itself 8 times. And we can group these to make it easier. So let's start by adding this group up. 8 plus 8 is 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. So this group is equal to 16 plus 16, which is equal to 32. And this group should also be equal to 32. So our answer is going to be 32 plus 32, which is 64. Nine times 7 equals blank. So again, we can either add 9 7 times, or we can add 7 by itself 9 times. Let's use 9. 9 plus 9. 9. And we can group these again. So let's do this. So 9 plus 9 is 18. And this is also 18. So this group is equal to 36. This group is equal to 18 plus 9, which is equal to 27. So our answer is equal to 36 plus 27. If you calculate that on the side, like here, 6 plus 7 is 13, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is 63. So our answer is 63. Number 4, this will be our last one. 4 times 6 equals blank. So we can either add 4 by itself 6 times, or 6 by itself 4 times. Let's use 6, because it's a greater number. So this is equal to 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Now if we group these, we get 12 plus 12, which is equal to 24. So our answer is 24. Let's move on. Write less than, greater than, or equal to for each blank. Number 1, we have 3 times 2 is blank 6. So we have to evaluate the left side first. 3 times 2, if you can do it in your head, is 6. And since 6 is equal to 6, you just add the symbol. Number 2, 4 times 2 is blank 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. And 4 times 2 is 8. And 8 is greater than 7. Number 3, 3 times 4 is blank 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. And 3 times 4, if you can't do it in your head, it's equal to 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. That's equal to 12. And they're equal. Number 4. 3 times 8 is blank 6 times 4. So we can add 8 by itself 3 times. And that's equal to 16 plus 8, which is equal to 24. 6 times 4 is equal to 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. We found earlier that it was 24. So they're equal. Let's do one last one. Number 5. 6 times 3 is blank 7 times 2. 6 times 3 is 6 plus 6 plus 6, which is equal to 12 plus 6. And that's equal to 18. So this side is 18. And 7 times 2 is 7 plus 7, or there's 14. So 18 is greater than 14. Word problems. Number 1. There are 6 toy cars in a box, and there are 5 boxes. How many toy cars are there in total? So we have 5 boxes, and there are 6 in each box. So this is our expression. And if we want to find the value of this, you can either add 6 by itself 5 times, or 5 by itself 6 times. Let's use 6. So we have 5 6's. And if we group them together, 6 plus 6 is 12. 6 plus 6 is 12. I'm grouping it like this. And then we have one last 6. 12 plus 12 is 24. And 24 plus 6 is equal to 30. So we have 30 toy cars in total. Number 2. A farmer has 7 chickens, and each chicken lays 3 eggs every day. How many eggs do the chickens lay in one day? So it's asking how many did 7 chickens lay in one day. And since each chicken lays 3 eggs, our expression is 7 times 3. If it was asking for multiple days, then we would multiply by the number of days. But since it's just 1, we just leave it like this. So 7 times 3 is equal to 7 plus 7 plus 7, which is 14 plus 7. And that's equal to 21. So the chickens lay 21 eggs in one day. Number 3. There are 8 books on each shelf in the library, and there are 4 shelves. How many books are there in total? Again, use the same logic. Our expression is 4 times 8 because there are 4 groups, and each group has 8 books. You can write this as 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. There are 4 8s. Group them together. We get 16 plus 16, and that's equal to 32. So we have 32 books in total.